Hey Ecamm fam! Last week we sent out an email asking what tutorials you wanted to see, and a bunch of you asked about virtual camera. So let's break it down real quick. Virtual Cam lets you take everything you create in Ecamm, overlays, effects, scenes, even color grading, and it sends it right into Zoom, Teams, Meet, or wherever you're showing up on screen. So there's no more basic webcam feed. Your boring meetings just became whatever you designed in Ecamm. Once you're in Ecamm, go to the Output menu and click Virtual Cam. Make sure you've installed it, and then you'll see that it's ready to use. You can do the same thing with your virtual microphone. Then just switch your camera source in your video app to Ecamm Live Virtual Cam and Virtual Mic. That's it. You're showing up exactly how you want to. Do you want a logo in the corner, lower thirds, multiple camera angles? All of it works. Anything you build in Ecamm comes with you, and yes, it makes a big difference on your calls. And if you want a more detailed walkthrough, check out Marshall's full tutorial. We'll link it so you can dive deeper. And if there's something else that you want a quick tutorial on, just reply and let us know, because we're building these for you.